guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Radhika Mudgal and today I'm going to share 18 things that I learned being an 18-year-old myself. I've thought about it a lot and I have written down a few, actually all 18 things that I learned. It took me a while, but here we are with the list and थोड़ा focus करना पड़ेगा with the list I have jaggled down with. So I guess without any further ado, let's start. Basically, now I'm gonna share whatever I felt. It is not something it has to be. It is not a fact. It doesn't have to be a fact. It is what I feel that I learned, and I think it's right. I think it's my opinion, and I'm not forcing this, or I am stating a fact, nor I'm stating a fact. It's just it is my opinion. It's just what I feel as being an 18-year-old. So I think let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I learned is do not rely on anyone. I mean, I'm not saying that do not rely on strangers or something. Don't rely even on your family. I mean, just take a support and just see like वो है तुम्हारे support के लिए, पर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम उनके ऊपर completely rely हो. Take responsibility of your own actions and do not rely on anyone. मतलब कि don't count on anyone on being with you. Just I mean, it's good, family is there, but as a support. Family is there as support, your family, your friends are there for support, and your relatives are there for support, but just do not rely on them. It's just what I have learned. And second is be selfish. I mean, selfish is not a negative word. Putting yourself first is not a negative word. You have to be selfish for you. You owe it to yourself, and that's what I feel. Number 3 that I learned is one thing at a time. Everyone here and there is trying to do multitasking. मतलब ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. Like there are people who can do it. I don't deny it कि multitasking नहीं हो सकती है, but ऐसा नहीं है कि सबको करनी होती है, कि सबको करनी चाहिए multitasking. It doesn't have to be. I can't, I know. And कुछ people हैं जो literally उसमें भाग ही रहे हैं that yes we also have to do multitasking. वो कर रहा है तो मुझे भी multitasking करनी चाहिए, वो कर रहा है तो मुझे भी करनी चाहिए. But it is not that way. If you can, do it, but if you can't, just don't put your burden on yourself just because others are doing it. So it's just about capability, and it doesn't have to be that way. Next is learn to spend time with yourself. I mean, मैंने 18 साल में ये चीज़ तो बहुत करी है. I have spent a lot of time with myself. I was very young actually, मतलब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, and I used to watch TV, I used to cook, and पता नहीं मैं क्या करती थी literally, but I was with myself. I have learned to spend time with myself, and I love it. It's so good, and when you learn it, you will realize how good it is actually. Next is self-care is your biggest friend. This is just one more fact about your being with yourself. I mean, not only it does good to you, it feels good to you. It feels like you're doing something for yourself, and it just is a great and amazing feeling. Next is not everything you see or you hear is correct. I have learned this a lot. मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी हैं, मैंने बहुत सारे experiences करे हैं. But just dig deeper and you will get to know कि सच क्या है actually. What you and just don't believe जो तुम देखते हो, जो तुम सुनते हो. Just don't believe directly that. Next is do not compare. बुरा होता है compare करना. Like if you're comparing something or yourself with someone, कुछ भी किसी चीज़ को भी compare करते हो, that creates a negative mind map on yourself. So I don't think कि किसी को भी किसी भी चीज़ को कैसे भी compare करना चाहिए. वो अपनी जगह होते हैं, and everyone is different, and there is nothing to compare things. So yes. yes, I feel do not compare. Next is embrace change. Everyone should embrace change. If you're not embracing changes, you're gonna grow mentally. You just have to embrace the change. मतलब अगर change को नहीं accept कर सकते हैं, then you can't grow. You will be still and you won't grow. Next is do not be afraid of being judged. I have this, मतलब मुझे कभी कभी याद आ जाता है ये फैक्ट कि आपको जज होने से डरना नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज एवरी वन हेयर गेट्स जज. मतलब वो कोई भी हो, चाहे वो अंबानी हो, अडानी हो, फिल्म स्टार्स हो, एवरी वन गेट्स जज बीइंग जज. मतलब in a house also you are being judged. So I mean just get used to being judged, and I think उसको एक पॉजिटिव तरीके से भी ले सकते हैं हम कि yes you are being acknowledged. I just take it that way, but you have got to remember this. Just say to yourself, do not be afraid of being judged, because तुम कुछ भी करोगे लोग तो कहेंगे ही कहेंगे. कुछ भी करोगे लोग कहेंगे. तुम अच्छा करोगे तो लोग कहेंगे. उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ फॉल्ट वो निकालेंगे ही निकालेंगे. सो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट overthinking that. Next is everyone has a different meaning of fun, and we are on lesson learned 10. Some people define fun as going clubbing. It could be fun, and some people stay at home, Netflix and chill and call it a day. They call it fun. And some people just go out, eat in a cafe, or some people read a book and call it fun. The thing is, what I'm trying to say is that everyone has a different meaning of fun. अगर कोई और कर रहा है and they seems it fun, it doesn't mean that you will feel the same. So I mean, find your meaning of fun. Next is discipline gives motivation. I have learned that agar you are disciplined, if you have discipline, like that will give you motivation, and following a discipline and correct schedule routine, you would get motivated with that, and you're not gonna get motivated by lying on a bed and scrolling reels. It's just truth. It's just the truth. I mean, एक बेड पे पड़े रह के फ़ोन चला के स्क्रॉल करके you would not get motivated that way. Next is confidence is the key. If you have got confidence, I mean, you have reached halfway of success. Confidence is like everything. मैं स्कूल में मतलब I couldn't से करेक्ट आंसर्स जो मुझे पता होते थे, जो आंसर्स सही होते थे, मैं वो नहीं कह पाती, बिकॉज आई लैक कॉन्फिडेंस. गुड लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, नॉट ऑल्सो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट भी नहीं होना है. अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस अगर किसी के पास है, देन देयर हाफ वे देयर जर्नी. आई फील दैट वे. आई मीन कॉन्फिडेंस इज द की. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज डू whatever makes you happy. I mean, it doesn't have to be, मतलब ऐसा कुछ बुरा नहीं होना चाहिए, but do whatever makes you happy. Do whatever you are happy with. I love you, dude. I always have. So that's why I'm starting it. That's why I've started it actually. And next is think before you judge. Everyone has a story. So I have seen this, that people judge, like, I know I said that don't get about, like, don't be afraid of judging. I mean, this is about people, and I'm watching people judging others without even, like, knowing their story. I mean, it is bad. It is not happen. It should not happen. I just feel that. Next is expectations is way worse. मतलब having expectations from people, I mean, it is very bad. I mean, it it's bad for you. I mean, it's bad for a person. मतलब मैं अगर किसी से expect कर रही हूँ कुछ, and if by any means that expectations doesn't match, my expectations doesn't match, I am going to get hurt, and it's bad for yourself. I mean, खुद तुम्हारे लिए बुरा है अगर तुम किसी से कुछ expect कर रहे हो unnecessarily, then you would get hurt. I mean, expectation, just do not have expectations from anyone. Next is trust your gut feeling. I have experienced this a lot recently, that's why I put it over here. Matlab, trust your gut feeling, whatever it says. I mean, trust your gut feeling, it is almost right. मतलब almost वो सही ही होती है. Feel, I mean, I have felt it for myself that कि gut feeling almost right होती है मेरे लिए. Next is stop overthinking. This is a thing that we people can't do. I mean, just is an impossible task. I mean, just it is an impossible task, isn't it? But it actually isn't. It is not impossible. You can do it. You can overcome overthinking. Just get a load of more of activities. जब हमारे पास काम नहीं होता ना, तब तुम overthink करते हो. And रात को overthinking करो. Sleep. If you're overthinking, sleep. Watch series. Read books. Do whatever you want. And overthinking leads to a lot of destruction. And people think that they will know the outcome if they will overthink, and they will know what will happen next and all that stuff. This is not a script that anyone would get to know. You should stop overthinking. I mean, it leads to destruction of your mind. Next and the last, we have come a long way, and this is the last one, 18th. Don't silence your voice for your needs. Okay, this is I think for me, I think ये मेरे लिए ही है कि अपनी आवाज़ उठाना सीखो जब उनको चाहिए होता है. I have actually थोड़ा मैं कर रही हूँ improvement, because this is what I don't speak. I will tell you a story. I went to my nanny's house once, and रात हो रही थी, and AC चल रहा था, गर्मियों का टाइम था. AC काफ़ी कम टेम्परेचर पे था. And I had a very पतली चादर to cover myself. So रात हो गई, बहुत ठंडा कमरा हो गया. And they had a like different, मतलब मोटा कंबल था उनके पास, तो उनको ठंडी लग रही थी, मुझे लग रही थी बट. And रात जाती रही. And मैं पता नहीं कैसे करके उसको मतलब इधर उधर करने कर लेता हूँ, कर लेती थी. पता नहीं कैसे मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही थी, इतनी पतली चादर थी. And मुझे ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही थी, बट I couldn't say. अगर मैं कह देती तो ऐसा आता. And ये मेरे साथ काफ़ी. Just say what you need and just speak up for your words. Just don't silence your voice for your needs and just speak up. Don't be like me. That's what I would like to say. So yes, 18 things that I learned being an 18-year-old. My version. And once again, it's not some facts that I'm stating. It is just my opinion and that way I feel. The things I learned being an 18-year-old. It could be used, it could be silly and all, but I'm just putting my opinion out there. So yes, that's pretty much it for today's video. I guess that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. I hope you guys loved it. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and do press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys very soon.